In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Wix. This is a great way to make navigating your site easier for your visitors, allowing them to find exactly what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Wix editor. If you're not familiar with where to find it, you can simply log into your Wix account, and you'll see your sites listed. Click on the one you want to work on, and once loaded up, you'll see the Wix editor screen, which is your main hub for customizing your website's layout and functionality. Now let's focus on adding that all-important search bar. Take a look at the left side of the editor. You'll notice a menu where you can make various customizations to your site. Here, you want to click on Add Apps. This section is where you can find a variety of apps that can enhance the functionality of your website. With the Add Apps menu open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you will need to type in Wix Site Search. The search bar is quite straightforward and similar to using any other search engine. It's designed to quickly help you find specific apps without having to scroll through endless lists. After searching for Wix Site Search, the app should appear fairly quickly. Click on the Wix Site Search app to bring up more details about it. This app is your key resource for adding robust search capabilities to your site, which will help visitors effortlessly find the content they're after. Make sure to read through the description if you're curious about all the features it provides, but for now, let's move ahead and install it. To add it to your site, simply click on the button that says Add to Site. This process is fairly automatic. Once clicked, Wix will guide you through a few simple steps to customize the app settings to your liking. Usually, it's just a matter of confirming where you want the search bar to be placed or adjusting its design to fit your website's aesthetics. And there you have it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website. This addition will not only enhance the usability of your site, but also offer a smoother browsing experience for your visitors. It's a simple tool, but one that can greatly improve how content is accessed on your site. Feel free to explore other customization options later on to further enhance your site's functionality. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.